Hello, today you're looking at a Udylite PEC 2000 amp 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been fully tested and checked out here at our facilities. Great working condition. This is air cooled, remote controlled. Overall dimensions is going to be 23 inches length, 34 inches width, 69 inches high. It's wired for 463 phase. You can see the remote right here. We'll get that going for you right now. Bring you guys over to the oscope. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.